Today, welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. Today, I am to tell you how to apply PF Advance in Chrome browser. You just use your mobile phone also, no, not an issue. Or otherwise, if you have any laptop, means you just click on that. Go to the Chrome browser and click on here in the search button. Just click on EPFO. Here, see it's EPFO. Click on that EPFO. Just click on that and enter the button. At the first link, this is the friends. You just click on that. See, this is the EPFO. Okay, just click on that side. And here, KYC updation number. Just click on the KYC updation number. After that, you get this. After that, you get this page. You just here enter your UAN number and here password was asking. Friends, this is my UAN number. This is my and this is my password. After that, I enter in UAN number and the password. Here, friends, click on the captcha and enter the captcha. See, friends, I have logged in by using my email number and password after entering the captcha. See, after entering this, this page will come. Here, click on the enter. Friends, here this is if you want to I will explain about all these things. Here, this is your home page. Friends, I will explain all these things. What are the things you can have. Here, first home page. I am going to explain you. This is your verifying. It was taken. This is the home page, friends. This is your UN number, name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, bank account, and all. And next, the second page option is view option. Here you can view your profile. You can see your history. History means service history, like whatever companies you have to service, that it will show. Event card means it's like or it's our event card means here in this card this event number will be there and your photo and all there. Passbook means you just click on that passbook and you just check the balance in this passbook. Here manage basic details about you, and if you want to change any details means you just click on the basic details and you can change here. Contact details means if your all contact details like your family member and contacts details. KYC means you just updating like Aadhaar, PAN card, KYC and all details. And here e-nominations means after like a nomination about this. A mark exit means if you want to exit like previous companies means you just click on that mark exit and click on your old companies and exit that. Here the main thing here accounts means in these accounts you change password. Means if you want to change that in the beginning you have set one password, right? If you want to change that password means you just click on that change password and you can change this. And finally online services. Here the four option will come. First one, claim form 31, 19 and 10C and 10D. These forms, and here we are working about these forms like PF advance, and if you want to take any pension means all these options will take those things. And the second, one member one EPF account transfer request. Friends, this option will help for like if for example if you worked 4 5 companies previously, means if you want to merge all accounts in one present PF account, means you just click on the here transfer request for all previous companies and you can merge from here. Here track claim status means once you already apply for any PF or PF advance like this, you just click on that and track what is the process, where the process has stopped, and finally download access means you just click the download and you can download the access. Now friends, today I am to tell you how to apply for PF advance. Click on here. It was loading. Here friends, enter your bank account. After entering your bank account, this will open and click on yes and proceed. Here in the I want to apply for this page will be open. Click on here and this will only PF withdrawal means you just click on the form 19. If you want to only withdrawal of pension means you just click on the form 10C, and if you want to withdraw only advance of your PF, you just click on the form 31. Click on that. So when you enter your address, employee address means whatever the address in the back side of your Aadhaar card, you just enter that. The second option, you just want to enter that which district you have belongs to. I am going to enter that which district you want to belongs to. Sorry, which state. Here you want to enter which state. Here for example I am belongs to Karnataka and I am going to enter Karnataka. See here which district you belongs to, you just want to enter this. Click here. Here I am going to select my district. Entering your address, you just here you just scroll down. Here friends, you want to upload the bank passbook front page. That means you are in that passbook, that account number should be clearly visible and your name and address also clearly visible friends. Just click on here. It will take that if you upload in mobile means you just click on that gallery and you can upload. I am entering and upload the passbook front page. Friends, once you upload your bank passbook front page, you just click on view. Here your bank passbook front page will be visible, and you just scroll down the page. Here friends, after uploading your bank passbook, you just click the here tick box, and here you get, if your Aadhaar register mobile number is there, no, in that mobile number you get one OTP. You just click on that and you receive an OTP, and the below you get here one bracket. In that bracket you just enter the OTP. Just enter the OTP and validate the OTP. That's it friends. Once you enter your OTP,